how do we add up all of the items in a column that are variances or are of a given row? So we all know that we can do sums quite easily. So equals sum, open bracket, and then just run down and say, hey, everything in this range, add it together. But what I want to do here, I want only to add together the variances. I want the sum of variance for some calculations I'm doing. So there's two ways you can do this. There's the long way and the smart way. The long way is using basic sums. So you go equals n11 plus n19, n27. Just double click on this, you can see loads of things there. And it's going through, plus this. It's really boring. And the problem is that if you add more data to the bottom of the table or you take things out, then that no longer works. So how do I automatically take just the variances from the column? You use an equation called SumIF. And I'm going to talk through how you do it. So it's actually incredibly simple. So equals SumIF. Right. So the first thing you want to do is the range. So this is saying, where are we looking? So where are we looking for the factor? The factor in this case is the title variance. Now I can select a range, and that works pretty well, or I can make it even easier, m:(m). Right. Nice and easy. Next thing is criteria. So what am I looking for? I'm looking for variance. And put it in quotation marks because then Excel knows this is text. So right now we're saying anything in this column, mm, that says variance, we go along and add that value. So now we've got to say which column we go to. Now it's going to be column n. So again, n, colon n. So anything in there, close bracket and return. So you see here the long way, which has all of these figures added manually, gives exactly the same figure as this one, which is just automatic. Now this is really useful. I can lock this down by just going to m, add some dollar signs. So I'm going to delete that. I can now pull this across to all the way, and you'll see all the variances being added up. So for this column, it's the O's. Now for this column, it's the P's. So there we are. I just pull this across, and that's going to give me the sum of variance. Now this could be anything. So you could say, I want to know, the height of everyone called John. And if we have the column as height and, just names of people down there, Tom, Dick, Harry, John, then you could do it that way. So this is a really simple trick. It's going to save you loads of time when adding things together. SumIF is so useful.